Good morning, y'all. It's Brian with another mold job. About to get into it, show y'all what's going on with it. We got us a GMC Sierra, and I'm gonna show y'all the mold that's all inside of it. But we're gonna knock this thing out, get it decontaminated, and get all the stuff that's going on with the panels and the mold and stuff. We're gonna get it back clean, and this thing gonna be back perfect. And we're gonna put the paints, if I say it wrong, 90 days ceramic coating on it, and it's gonna be beating water and back to normal. So, you know, the outside hasn't been washed in a little while. Gonna get the wheels and stuff, but this is the biggest problem, which is a health risk and also something that we don't need to be having inside the truck. Gonna get the carpets and stuff cleaned up, and I'll be putting the chemical to kill the mold and stuff all in the truck. We're gonna have to get these seat belts situated. We got a little bit of mold on the dash, all that crazy, whatever. Sanitational details, so we need to wipe everything down real good and get all the mold off and decontaminate. Oh, well, I told you about the paint protection. So yeah, so y'all can see these panels and stuff like that, and got some stuff going on the mats right there, stuff on the steering wheel, but we're gonna get it back right. So yeah, it's winning Edge Carwash. Gonna get into it. We about to knock this thing out and go on to the next task for the day. I got one more to detail today, and we're gonna do as much as we can. It's supposed to storm today, but I don't care. Working in the rain. Let's get to it. What's up, guys? We made it back with the Sierra GMC. We did the paint protection, washed it real good, got the inside all cleaned up with all the molding gone and everything treated on the inside, got it smelling good, all that good stuff. So we're gonna go on the inside, take a look at it, and see what it came out looking like. Let's go. See, we got everything nice and clean on the inside. It don't smell like mold anymore. Carpets look good. Got everything off the seats. Wheels looking good. Outer body's good. Things nice and shiny. All right, there you have it, guys. Y'all check out winningedgecarwash.com, and we're gonna keep the day going. I think I got like a little Jaguar F-Pace going on next, and we'll be good to go. All right, guys, y'all can see we got the Jaguar F-Pace, about to go through it. It's kind of messed up a little bit. I'm gonna do a starter detail on it. It really need like a standard or whatever, but sometimes I gotta work with the customer's budget and what they want to spend. So, but we have a way of doing the packages to where like we're not gonna spend as much time on it, but get some great results. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up a little bit, let y'all see what the inside looking like. And we're gonna go from there. But let's go ahead and start with this back. Y'all can see the jams need to get sprayed out. Gonna get, you know, the back cleaned up. I'm gonna take some of these items and stuff and throw them in the back, but the floors, they need to be clean and stuff like that. And we're gonna do like a little light wipe down. Driver side always messed up because, you know, the driver uses stuff the most. Got Joe putting the solution to clean the wheels on at the moment. dead right. Yes, sir. All right, guys, so I'm about to jump into my gear, face mask, glasses and all, and then I'm gonna get in this thing and go crazy. Do it. What's up, y'all? We is back with the Jaguar F-Pace. Got it looking fantastic. It is back to shining. We're gonna go through the inside. The inside was kind of jacked up, but we got it unjacked. So let's check it out. See the door panels looking good. Floors looking amazing. Cup holders on point. Got that dash on point. Let's take a look at the back. Even got this stain. I'm gonna let this open up real quick. It was like a little red stain right there. Got it out, so everything's looking good. Y'all know what to do. Check out Edgecarwash.com. Hit that request service day button. Like, share, subscribe on the YouTube videos, and we'll see y'all tomorrow. That's it for today. It's about the rain. Early day, but we got some good jobs knocked out, and it's time to go to the house.